Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to update your relationship status on Facebook to in an open relationship using your PC. Let's get started and make it simple for you to follow along. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, locate the About section. You'll find this option near the top of your profile page. Click on it to access a detailed view of your personal information. Next, scroll down and click on Family and Relationship. This is where all the relationship-related settings are located. Once you're in this section, look for your current relationship status. You'll see a small pencil or edit icon next to it. Click on that icon. A new menu will appear with a drop-down list of relationship statuses. From here, select in an open relationship as your new status. Once you've made your selection, double-check everything to ensure it's correct. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your changes, and that's it. Your Facebook profile is now updated to reflect that you're in an open relationship. This process is quick and easy, and it allows you to keep your profile up to date with just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a little help navigating Facebook's settings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.